Hello all, welcome to our channel Quizopedia. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Today, we have an exciting general knowledge quiz with 10 questions. Don't forget to comment your score below at the end of the video. Let's jump right into it.
Here's question 1. What is the chemical symbol for silver? A, C, B, Ag, C, Au, D, Ul. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B, Ag. The chemical symbol for silver is Ag, derived from its Latin name argentum, which means shining or white. Silver is a precious metal known for its high conductivity, reflectivity, and malleability. It has been used for centuries in jewelry, currency, and industrial applications. Here's question 2. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole? A. Tomato. B. Avocado. C. Lime. D. Onion. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Avocado. Guacamole is a traditional Mexican dip made primarily from mashed avocados, often mixed with lime juice, onions, and tomatoes. Here's question 3. What is the name of the device used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Anemometer. D. Hygrometer. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Barometer. A barometer measures atmospheric pressure, which helps predict weather conditions. Here's question 4. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet due to its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, which traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Here's question 5. What is the closest star to Earth? A. Alpha Centauri. B. Betelgeuse. C. The Sun. D. Proxima Centauri. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is C. The Sun. The Sun is the closest star to Earth and provides the energy necessary for life. Here's question 6. What is the national animal of India? A. Peacock. B. Bengal tiger. C. Elephant. D. Lion. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger symbolizes grace, strength, agility, and power and is India's national animal. Here's question 7. Which is the largest island in the world? A. Madagascar. B. Greenland. C. Borneo. D. New Guinea. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island with an area of over 2.1 million square kilometers. Here's question 8. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro. B. Pound sterling. C. Dollar. D. Franc. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Pound sterling. The pound sterling, pound, is the official currency of the United Kingdom. Here's question 9. Which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering blood? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. lungs. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is C, kidney. The kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from the blood, forming urine. Here's question 10. What is the official language of Brazil? A. Spanish. B. English. C. Portuguese. D. French. You have 5 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is C, Portuguese. Brazil was colonized by Portugal, which is why Portuguese is its official language.
Thank you for watching. How many of you got these right? Let me know how you did in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quizzes like this. See you next time.